Do you suffer from a low self-esteem? When something negative happens in your life, do you beat yourself up about it over and over again? Focusing on phrases such as, that was stupid, or I'm so fat, or no one loves me. These statements can easily get stuck and suck the happiness right out of your life. Luckily, this doesn't have to be permanent. Positive affirmations can turn your negativity around. Affirmations are simply statements or phrases which focus on the positive rather than the negative. These mantras can actually reprogram your subconscious thinking and bring you a whole host of good benefits that you'll enjoy for years to come. So here are some easy ways to incorporate positive affirmations into your life. Affirmations should be in the present tense. Begin your statements with I can, I have, or I am, instead of phrases like I will or I may. Examples of this would be I have a beautiful body and I am so intelligent, instead of I will never be so stupid again. Choose statements that focus on the positive attributes you want to encourage in your life, saying them as if you already exhibit that behavior. Address yourself by name when expressing your affirmations. Believe it or not, this does make a big difference. When you say, I, Troy Batchelor, am a beautiful person, both inside and out, it makes your affirmation more powerful because you hear the sound of your own name. Using your name in the affirmations allows your subconscious to process the words even quicker. Now, focus on one or two affirmations to start with. Although you possess many positive attributes, it's best to focus only on one or two when you're first starting out. If you start with 20 positive affirmations, your subconscious may become overwhelmed or dismiss the deeper meaning. For example, if you meet somebody who goes on and on about how great and beautiful you are, what's your reaction? Usually the second or third compliment, you tend to wonder if this person's actually being sincere. The same principle applies to practicing many positive affirmations at once. Focus on one or two, and when they're firmly planted into your subconscious, you can move on to more. Practice affirmations as often as possible. Our subconscious mind is more open to suggestions when we first open our eyes in the morning, and then again when we're ready to fall asleep at night. The more often you recite your affirmations, the faster you'll experience lasting change. Don't worry if you're having trouble writing your affirmations. You can find a lot of books and self-improvement websites that include hundreds of good daily affirmations. You can pick them, one or two of them, and if you'd like to focus on those and then get started. Just don't let something as insignificant as not being able to compose a positive mantra hold you back from making changes and incorporating happiness into your life. A low self-esteem can hold us back from living the life we deserve. You can rebuild your confidence and self-esteem with daily affirmations and experience the joy of life you've been missing. Try it, and I promise if you'll stick with it, you'll love it. Battlefield Brain is designed to give you one positive affirmation to begin your day each day over the next 47 days. You can just follow along, or you can add the daily affirmation to your main list of personal affirmations. The point here is to build a habit of positive self-talk before you ever have a conversation or interaction with anyone else each and every day. The more you build on this habit, the stronger your belief in yourself will become. I've also provided you with a worksheet that will help you write out your affirmations if you get stuck. Not sure where to start? Well, here are 5 affirmations you should repeat to yourself each day. I am healthy. I am strong. I am well respected by others. I'm going to live a long and prosperous life. I am blessed with the favor of God. Now let's go kick some butt today and start off by focusing on your daily affirmations.